there. My name is Milligan Wahl. I'm a professional organizer. I live and work in San Francisco, California, and I've been doing this extremely fun and rewarding work for about 5 years. And I thought what I'd do is sit down with a cup of tea and talk to you about some frequently asked questions that I get when people find out that I'm an organizer or are thinking about hiring me. And there's one question that almost every single person who has thought about hiring me has asked me, and it's this: am I the worst you've ever seen? Everybody asks me this question, and I think it speaks to a lot of things. It speaks to our worry that we're beyond hope. It speaks to our worry that we're the only ones who don't have anything figured out. And so I always reassure people and I say, no, you're not the worst I've ever seen. And I'm telling the truth. Like, I really am. I've seen a lot of things. If you could think of a thing that might be in someone's home, I have seen it, and that's okay. And it's not about how bad you think you are. It's not about measuring up to some standard. It's, are you happy in your home? And if you're not, we can fix that. So if you are also worrying, oh my God, I can't have a professional organizer over to my house, I am the worst in the world, and they will be horrified and they will want to run away. These are things that people have actually said to me in their homes. Please be assured that we have seen it all, and that's why we do this work, because we love the impact we can make on your lives. There's nothing more rewarding to me than seeing a client who feels just physically and mentally lighter when they walk in their front door. So anyway, that is my thought on the most commonly asked question I get as a professional organizer. And I'd love to keep doing some more FAQs for you if you like watching them. So if you could, please comment with any questions you'd like me to answer, and I will film more videos. And if you liked this, please subscribe. There will be more coming, and tell your friends, because, hey, you're going to get the real deal on what it's like to be a professional organizer. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon.